than a few years back. Like you would see feces on the ground.
When did you notice that change, if at all?
Since last year.
I think there are people who have straightened out their lives because of maybe a rude awakening that incarceration presented in their lives, but I know that it's a revolving door. I would rather see other approaches.
If y'all out there taking fentanyl and all these other drugs that's gonna fuck y'all mental and y'all life up, please take it from me. Stop. No more drugs. No more fentanyl. No more cocaine. No more whatever it is y'all niggas do. Like, just go back down to some weed or something, or drink some alcohol every now and then or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But all these drugs that's gonna fuck y'all life up and shit like that, y'all need to chill out.
Tried.
Do you think Portland had enough time to see the results that they were